no school. I'm sad. But it's okay. I'm here. And you know what? I forgot. It's St. Patrick's Day. Wait. Yeah, cool. See? I have some green for St. Patrick's Day. Are you wearing some green? No. Go get some green, huh? Okay. Now, let's do a little jump in, jump out. I know you know it. And we're going to ask your nationality. Because if you are from Ireland, you're going to say, I'm Irish. But if you're from France, I'm French. Okay? You ready? And I'm going to ask a friend to come over. Ben!
Yes!
Ready for a jump in, jump out? Okay.
Always ready.
Jump in!
Jump in!
Jump out!
Jump out!
Turn yourself around!
Turn yourself around!
Introduce yourself! What's your name?
My name is Ben.
What's your nationality?
I am French.
You're French!
French.
All right. Jump in!
Jump in!
Jump out!
Jump out!
Turn yourself around!
Turn yourself around! Introduce yourself!
My name is Olivia, and today I am Irish! And now it's your turn. Jump in. Jump out. Turn yourself around. Okay, introduce yourself. That's your name? What's your nationality? I can't hear. You're French? Yeah, okay. Hi, look, a leprechaun. Do you know where he comes from? He comes from Ireland. Let's ask some questions to the leprechaun. And, are you a leprechaun?
Oh, me? A leprechaun?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
You're not?
No.
Okay. I have a question.
Okay.
And we're going to ask the leprechaun too.
Okay.
Okay? So if it's yes, you go here.
Okay. Yes.
If it's no, you go here.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
No. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Are you Irish?
No, I'm not.
Yes, I am. Okay. He's Irish. Are you French?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not. Okay. Are you... Do you live in a house?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you live in a tree?
Oh,
In a tree.
No, I don't.
Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, last one. That's a hard one for you. I'm going to do that one again. Are you young? Or are you old? So are you young? Or are you old? Ready? Are you old?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, I am. Are you young?
Yes, I am. Look. Yes, I am.
No, I'm not. Okay. Thank you. I hope you played with us. Okay, we're going to play a game called Guess the Number. And we're going to start with this leprechaun. How old is he? How old is he? Okay, I'm going to give you 3 numbers. He is 4 years old. He is 18 years old. He is 53 years old. 4, 18, or 53. Okay, ready to choose? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the right answer is, he is 53. 53 years old. Did you get that one right? Let's try another one. Okay, now we have a pot of gold. there. We have a pot of gold and a rainbow. Now the question is, how many, so 1, 2, 3, how many leprechauns can stand on a rainbow? How many leprechauns? So we have a lot of leprechauns, plus, 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 plus. How many can stand on a rainbow? Okay, 20, 20, 40, or 60. How many leprechauns can stand on a rainbow? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have the answer? You've noted it down? And it was 40. 40 leprechauns can stand on a rainbow. Okay. How many gold coins? Woo, look, my finger's going the wrong way. How many gold coins in the pot? How many? So 1, 2, 3. How many gold coins? So 10, 50, 50, or 100. How many gold coins in the pot? So count 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You made your choice? And the answer is 100 gold coins. Yay! You have to catch that leprechaun. How many shamrocks, remember? How many shamrocks in the field? How many shamrocks in the field? Are they 5, 7, or 12? I'm going to give you a little bit of time. How many shamrocks in the field? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shamrocks are in the field. Thank you for playing Guess the Number.